Alright, well, another night here in the infamous Musky shop and turning some top waters, the little Beavers. So you can see I got my lathe set up with the duplicator. Some of you might think that's cheating, but when you've made hundreds and hundreds of these, you gotta speed it up a little bit, and consistency is key. So here we go, got it down to about 3.5 minutes or so. I'll show you how it's done. So I'm going to start out, it's clipped already. I'm going to just round it off. I'm kind of just watching the guide, and I'm going to get it close, about 2 passes, and then I'll let it ride on the guide. So you got to work downhill, but other than that, the thing does a pretty darn good job. Okay, so we got a rough shape with the duplicator, and the rest just goes 100 grit sandpaper. It's going to be hard for you to see. There you go. Pretty good, quick method. Consistent. Every one of them comes out the same. There's my mess. There's a bunch of baits. And there you go. That's final product. So, alright. Good luck.